I'm your host Nick J, and this is the Norwegian Prima. Hey, I'm your host Nick J, and I hope each and every single one of you, yes you, are doing absolutely fantastic today. Welcome to beautiful Galveston, Texas, and welcome the Norwegian Prima to beautiful Galveston, Texas. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Norwegian Prima's very first time to this absolutely amazing port, let alone this absolutely amazing state. And not only is it the Norwegian Prima's first time down here, this is also Norwegian's Cruise Line's first time down here, and the very first time in a very long time. So ladies and gentlemen, she's got absolutely everything on her. She's got a 3-story go-kart track on the ship. You've got a dry slide that goes all the way from the top all the way to the bottom of the ship. It's absolutely crazy, and this ship is just truly amazing. And if you guys would love to sail on this ship from Galveston, you won't be able to this year, but come 2023, you will be able to book this ship in the 4th quarter of the year into the early year of 2024. So make sure you guys head over to Norwegian.com, book your cruise for the little price of $2,000 for an interior. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the Norwegian Prima, and it's time to take flight to the skies and show you guys what this amazing ship looks like from the air. There's your look at the beautiful Norwegian Prima from the skies. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can get notified each and every single time we post a brand new video here on the Travel with Nick channel. But ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I'm your host Nick J, and until I see you around, I'll see you square. Bye-bye, everybody.